The very first thing I would encourage you to do on LinkedIn, if you haven't yet, is to make sure that your LinkedIn link or URL is customized. To see if it is, you can go to LinkedIn, click on the View Profile section under your profile image, and there you will then be able to click through and see your profile as others see it. Now the question is, what is the link in your browser when you look at your profile? When you join LinkedIn, LinkedIn assigns you a URL that is unique, but it might not be very interesting, eye-catching, or memorable. And for somebody who uses LinkedIn often, seeing that link can actually put them off because it will tell them that you're not taking your LinkedIn profile very seriously. And of course, it will be really hard to remember. So you are able to update this link very simply by going through to your LinkedIn profile, and then you will see an area where you can actually update your URL, customize your URL, and you can put in your precise name, or if there is something that you are known for, you might want to add that there. So it's up to you, but be sure that this URL is one that is memorable. If somebody has already used your name, then you may have to get creative. So if your name happens to be John Smith, and I'm sorry to pick on John Smith, but you happen to be the very best shoe designer in the world, you can call your LinkedIn URL John Smith Shoes. Or if you are, like me, a media strategist, you can add Marie Leroux Media Strategy. And so this gives you a chance to really say what it is that you do. Of course, one thing to remember about any link is that once that link is out there, it's out there. And unless you update it, it will lead to a broken link. So be sure that you're very, very happy with the URL that you are changing to, and that you do go and update it anywhere where people might have your LinkedIn link, and so that everything is up to date and consistent. So when people do click your personalized link, they end up exactly where you want them to go.